Beef neck bone is what we're cooking today. It's a southern staple. Stay tuned and I'll show you how we do it. I have a skillet here heating with some olive oil. What I'm going to do is I'm going to infuse it with some rosemary. An easy way to do that, just pull back all the leaves and they come off. Just throw it in there. Let it infuse for about a minute or two. In the meantime, what I'm going to do is I'm going to season the beef necks with a little bit of allspice, cumin, cayenne, which is nice and spicy, some smoked paprika, salt, and some cracked black pepper. Now that the rosemary is all infused, we're going to add in the beef necks. And we're going to cook them about 5 minutes on each side until they get nice and golden brown. And then I'll show you what we do. Now that the beef necks are all roasted, what we're going to do is we're going to put it in a slow cooker with some carrots and onions that I roughly chopped. I chopped 4 carrots and half an onion. We're going to add this in. To this, we're going to add chicken stock, about 4 cups. And half a cup of all-purpose flour. And that'll create a nice gravy. We cover it, put it on. Make sure you add enough stock to cover the beef necks. Stir in all the flour. Close your slow cooker. Turn it on for about 4 hours. Now that you've closed your slow cooker, you leave it here for about 4 hours and you have an amazing meal. So I hope you try this one at home. Stay tuned for the good product. It's been 4 hours, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it. Smells amazing. We need a beer to celebrate cooking for so long. Subscribe and stay tuned every Tuesday on my YouTube channel or on Food ESTD for more fun recipes like this one. See you next week.